Students, in this video we'll do some more examples on matrix multiplication. Some examples on matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. So in this one we'll do some more examples of matrix multiplication. So let us take the first example. Suppose let A be the matrix A equal to say 2 minus 3 1, then minus 2 3 and 4. Suppose these are the first matrix A, and let there be another matrix say B, and B equal to say 2 5 3 1 4 2. This is the second matrix. Now let us find A cross B solution. So we'll try to find out AB, but before trying this one, let us check whether this is possible or not. How many rows are here? 1 row and 2 row and 3 columns. So order is 2 cross 3. What is the order here? There are how many rows? 1 2 3, 3 rows, and columns are 2, 3 cross 2. So here we can see that these two numbers are equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. Now let us see how we can do this one. AB equal to, so we'll first of all write the matrix A, 2 minus 3 1, then minus 2 3 4, multiplied by B, 2 5 3 1 4 2. And suppose the matrix multiplication is not possible, then there is no need to multiply and show it. Simply you have to write down the matrix multiplication is not possible because the number of columns of the first matrix are not equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So in this case it is possible, therefore we are working it. Therefore AB equal to, now directly we can write, as I told you. What we'll do is, again in earlier video I have taught you how to multiply two matrices. So what we will do is take R1, elements of R1, and multiply with the elements of column 1, one by one. First element of this first element of R1 will multiply with the first element of column 1. Similarly, second element of R1 will multiply with the second element of column 1. Similarly, third element of R1 will multiply with the third element of column 1, and then we have to add the resultant. So let us see it. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9, and 1 into 4, so plus 4. Similarly, for the element of the second element of the column 1, what we'll do? Multiply the elements of R2. R2 will multiply with the elements of R2 will multiply with the elements of column 1 in the same way as we have done in the first part, that is in the for the first element of column 1 of the matrix AB. So minus 2 will multiply with 2, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, 3 into 3 is plus 9, 4 into 4 plus 16. Similarly, now we will multiply elements of R1 with the elements of column, this will multiply with the elements of column 2. So 2 into 5, that is 10, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 1 into 2, plus 2. Now for the second element of column 2, multiply the elements of R2 with the elements of column 2. So minus 2 into, this will multiply with all the elements here. Minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. 3 into 1, so plus 3. 4 into 2 plus 8. So equal to, what we are going to get is 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. And 16 plus 9, 25. 25 minus 4, it will become 21. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 plus 2 will get 9. And here minus 10 plus 8, that is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So this is the solution which we have got for the first part. Now let us do one more question. Let us take a equal to, let a equal to say 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1, and the matrix B as, matrix B we will take as 1 0 1 and minus 1 2 1. Find, in this case, A cross B. Find A cross B. So let us see whether we can solve this or not. Solution is possible or not. Here how many rows are there? 1 2 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. Order is 3 cross 2 is the order. Order of matrix B is, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 cross 3, and what you can see is that the number of columns of matrix A are same as the number of rows of matrix B. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. And also the order of this matrix A cross B will be equal to how much? That will be 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. So order of matrix A cross B will be equal to 3 cross 3. So let us start doing the multiplication of A and B. So AB equal to 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1. Already I have taught you how to multiply matrix, two matrix 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. So we'll multiply the elements of R1 with the elements of column 1. So equal to, and then add them. 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Similarly we'll do the same for the second row and elements of the first column of the second matrix. So 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 2. Similarly the third one, we'll take third row and column 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, and here again minus 1. So column 1 is complete of the matrix AB. Now let us go for column 2. For column 2 again, what we will do, we will take R1, elements of R1 multiply with the elements of column 2. So 2 into 0, that is 0, plus 1 to 2, so 2. Similarly next we will take elements of R2 and the elements of column 2. So 3 into 0, that is 0, plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Third row and the elements of column 2. Minus 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2. So 0 plus 2. And now for the third one, for the elements of the third column of matrix AB, we will take elements of R1, multiply with the elements of column 3 of matrix B. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1. Similarly 3 will multiply with 1, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. Similarly minus 1 into 1, minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into 1, 1. Now we will do the calculation further. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Here we will get 2, 4 and 2. is 3, 5 and 0. So this is what is AB, A into B.